Office, home, and hectic schedule, this is a routine life of every single individual. However, sometimes we need rest to restore our energy, and the best way to revive the life is to go on an adventure. And in this video, we have enlisted the top 15 adventure sports that you must try at least once in life. So here the list begins. Number 15. Dune bashing. Do you like sandboarding? If yes, then you would definitely love dune bashing. This is one of the most adventurous sports to do in Dubai. Mostly such adventure sports are not made for kids, but for this sport, minimum age is limited is as low as 3 years. It means you can enjoy dune bashing with your family. Just get into the SUV and ride at a high speed, bashing the sand dunes. SUV's Big Red model is quite popular in Dubai, and if you like the Fast and Furious type of ride, this red hunk will surely fulfill your dream at a speed of 250,000 square miles. 14. Skiing. I know, Dubai is a land of sand and hot desert, and dreaming of an Iceland in this region is more like a daydream, but you know that Dubai is known for its surprising attractions, from the tallest tower ever, Burj Khalifa, to man-made land into the Persian Gulf, the Palm Jumeirah. And one such man-made attraction is constructed in the Mall of the Emirates. There are a number of malls in Dubai, but the Mall of the Emirates located at the Sheikh Zayed Road is especially known for its indoor ski resort known as Ski Dubai. The minimum age limit is as low as 3 years, and this is one more reason why people keep visiting this mall. Number 13. Skydiving. We all know Dubai is the city of futuristic architecture, and if you want to enjoy the mesmerizing view of these marvelous constructions, skydiving is the best ever adventure sport you must try. When you jump off from a height of 13,000 feet, it might fear you for first a few seconds, but soon you will experience the thrill while flying over beautiful Dubai construction like the Palm Jumeirah. However, some restrictions can cause you a little problem. To participate in this adventure, your minimum age has to be over 18 years, and your weight must not be more than 100 kilograms. 12. Bungee jumping. Yes, bungee jumping is also included in this list. How can we miss this sport when the city has held the bungee jump world record? Dubai hosted bungee jumping in 2014, and 151 jumps were recorded within the duration of 24 hours. Needless to say, this is one of the extreme adventure sports, but you must have a lot of courage and spirit to jump from a 50-meter height. Just like skydiving, this sport also has some restrictions. To participate in this sport, the minimum age limit is 14 years, and the maximum weight is 120 kilograms. Number 11. Microlighting. If you've never heard of or seen this sport, let me give you a brief introduction. Microlighting, also known as ultralight, is a lightweight, fixed-winged aircraft that lands at a very slow speed. It is a kind of one or sometimes two-seater lightweight aircraft. You can enjoy a 15-minute short trip flying over mountains and deserts. The right age for this adventure is above 14. Number 10. Quad biking. If you love bike riding, I bet you won't miss a chance to try your hands on quad bikes. Quad bikes are one of the most accessible vehicles to take on the desert. The riding techniques are so easy that anyone having a little tech knowledge can learn how to ride a quad bike and take on the mighty desert. Light body, wide tires, and a powerful engine, quad bikes have everything you need to ride on the sandy surface and dune hills. If you're going to plan a Dubai trip very first time, make sure to ride quad bikes. Number 9. Snorkeling. It's hard to believe that water activity like snorkeling is available in Dubai too. But yes, it is possible. All thanks to the Persian Gulf that makes snorkeling possible on the land of dune and desert. There are 3 places you can enjoy snorkeling and get closer to Dubai marine life: Ambassador's Lagoon, Dubai Aquarium, and underwater zoo at Al Boom Diving in Fujairah. With a total of 11 million liters of water and a depth of 10 meters, the Ambassador Lagoon is the largest ever created aquarium world. If you want a bit of knowledge regarding snorkeling and marine life, Al Boom Diving has passionate professionals who are ready to guide you through everything properly. Number 8. Sandboarding. You might have heard the word snowboarding, but have you ever heard or thought of gliding over sand with a snowboard? Yes, in Dubai, anything is possible, my friend. Dubai is located amidst the sandy desert, and sandboarding is known as one of the best adventure sports in Dubai. Strap your boots onto a smooth-surfaced board and slide down the sand dunes, and you will experience the thrill you've never experienced before. Some of the best places for snowboarding are the tallest sand dune in Dubai, Al Hamr. The minimum age requirement is 13 years. Number 7. Shark diving. The city of marvelous skyscrapers, Dubai is also known for its futuristic shopping malls, but the Dubai Mall is above all. The mall has a huge tank aquarium where diving activities are hosted. If you're older than 10, you can swim with the sharks, and you can play with other marine species too. The tank is filled with 33,000 aquatic species. Moreover, if you don't know about swimming but want to take a look at underwater marine life, you can also learn scuba diving through a short diving course. Number 6. Flyboarding. Flying over water is the most thrilling experience, especially if you're on a Dubai tour. A number of celebrities have already experienced the thrill, and one of them is Canadian rapper Drake. Flyboarding consists of a board with a hose that is attached to a jet ski engine. The engine shoots water out of the hose at a great force. The force is so powerful that it can lift you up to 10 meters. You can control the board using your hands or distributing your weight accordingly. If you're above 18, congratulations, you're eligible for the flyboarding. Number 5. Hot air balloon. How can you miss the ride of hot air balloon when you're in a city of numerous tourist attractions? The ride lets you enjoy the bird's eye views of Dubai from up above in the hot air balloon. Make sure to book your rides in the early morning as the sun gets harsher as the day passes. However, the hot air balloon rides are organized away from the city, so it is a bit difficult to enjoy the urban view from the sky. The bright side is that flying above 4,000 feet high above the desert ground, you can view the desert on one side and the Persian Gulf on the other, with a modern Dubai in between. Number 4. Ziplining. Ziplining is something a real thrill seeker can hardly deny, and Dubai is the right place for the adrenaline rush. The whole activity would hardly take a few seconds with a speed of 60 to 70 kilometers per liter, but it will leave an everlasting impression on your mind. There are 2 places where you can enjoy ziplining rides: Dubai Marina X-Line and Dubai Fountains. Dubai Marina X-Line is also known as the world's longest urban zipline. It is 1 kilometer long and is considered to be one of the steepest and fastest ziplines around the globe. Number 3. Wakeboarding. After flyboarding, wakeboarding is another water adventure you can enjoy in Dubai. Just get over a wakeboard, and with the help of the force created by a leading boat, you feel like you're flying over water. For beginners, it may take a little effort, but it is easy to learn. However, you can also get help from professional wakeboard riders. Number 2. Racing. For those who love fast and furious rides, racing is also available in Dubai. 100 km/h ride will take just 4 seconds to be finished, and it's enough to make you thrilled. However, there are a few restrictions, and that's why most people avoid or can't race. The minimum age for participation is 21, and participants must be under 118 kilograms. Number 1. Seabreacher ride. Now, I guess only a few people have heard of this ride, but trust me, it is quite interesting. In this activity, you get into a watercraft that looks like a shark. You can float on the seawater, or you can also enjoy an underwater ride. The underwater experience is really amazing because you ride a boat that looks like a shark. Dubai has never disappointed its guests. From shopping malls to adventure rides, Dubai has everything that you want to make your vacation memorable. So what do you think? Which one of these rides do you want to try once? Drop your comments and let us know. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching till the end.